Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check unaccepted follow requests on Instagram. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that we need to go to our account and click on three lines here. After that, click your activity and scroll very down and click download your information. After that, click download on transfer information and choose your account and click next. After that, click some of your information. Wait some time and scroll down and choose followers and following and click next. Wait some time, click download to device, click next and here click date arrange and choose all time. And after that you can click create files. After that you can find these files and go to connections. After that click followers and following and click recent follow requests, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.